hell's over me?
Smoke, you know what that means. Unless that's our destroyer doing it.
I'm not doing shit to this guy.
Well, then we'll just do this. He's gone.
Whew. I definitely needed help with that.
Glad to assist.
Thank you. Where the hell am I? Which direction am I going? Where's north? Oh fuck, I'm going the wrong way. I gotta turn around. I need to head north or west.
Yeah, I need to do some damage
east.
control here real quick.
We need to go to... I'm gonna frickin' God bless it. I hate beaching. There's too many obstacles here.
Watch out, I'm coming behind you.
Behind me?
Yeah.
Well, it's gonna take me a while to back. I mean...
Well, I just want to let you know.
Yeah. Yeah, I need to head northeast. Mainly east. They're capturing B. We need to go east. Actually, no, that's northwest. Sorry. We need to go northwest.
We need to go to E6 or F6.
Yeah.
That's
If I
better.
can get unstuck here, man. I gotta back up again. Jesus. Do not like this. Backing up again. That's a battleship at B. Okay, so northwest. All right. Need to go right there. All right, I found my bearing. We need to go get that battleship.
Are you done playing Titanic there?
Oh, for God's sake, I'll tell you. I wish I could just shoot the goddamn things. Blow it. Oh, there he is right in front of me. Yeah, here we go. Oh, he's about dead, man. We can do this. Fuck, it was a long range shot. And I missed.
enemy team is taking the lead.
Oh, we got B back. Oh, I hit with 4 shots. Nice. That got his attention. I'll bet he'll start shooting at me now. That torpedo's coming in on him.
Ah, good.
All right, let's keep heading. Holding course here. We gotta do C next. We do well when we're together.
Yeah.
Man, there's nothing up there. Nobody's there.
Well, we got 1 battle wagon, you and me, and
There's what, 5 of us, but I only see 2, 3, 4. Oh, there's the other one.
oh, good God, we got 1 battleship. He's trying to go after. He's going to have to try to go after the carrier.
Yeah, that's what he's doing. Okay, that cruiser, he's coming to us.
2 cruisers.
2 of them. Yeah, we should be busy. We gotta pick a target.
Victory is in sight.
And the battle wagon coming in.
Where's it? Oh shit, we can't do that.
I'm getting out of here. Hard at port.
Let's take the Pensacola. Hit that Pensacola.
Trying to see if I can sight him with my torpedoes.
Torpedoes away.
Our team has taken the lead.
Let's see how my torpedoes do. Yeah, they died out. Damn.
Hit that Pensacola. Just keep hammering him.
The enemy is about to
No!
win.
There I went.
I'm gone. I'm gone. You gone too?
Yeah. What killed you?
The Pensacola.
Huh. I thought that's who. Well, maybe. Couldn't have killed both of us.
Well, I don't know. I didn't look. That's what I'm assuming.
What tells you here?
The enemy team has taken the lead.
Yeah, I think we lost. We just. Yeah.
Yeah, there's no way.
Yeah. We're down to 1 cap. Yeah, we lost this. This will be over in 30 seconds.
We got a battleship out there doing nothing.
Something shot me. I don't know what. I didn't expect to die. Maybe I just wasn't watching my health. We almost had him.
Yep.
Alright, what killed me? Something else shot me, I think.
What?
How is that possible? Anod in the Pensacola killed me. You're saying Anod in the Pensacola killed you too?
Which one tells you? Which one's the last one that kills you?
The enemy team complete where it says defeat.
Yeah.
Yeah, it says the enemy team completed the mission, and right below that, let's say destroyed by whoever in what ship.
I was killed by Enid.
That's who killed me. How in the hell did he kill both of us?
Was pretty good.
That's weird. I thought we had that.
Yeah.
We had to pick one target, and I didn't want to pick that Cleveland. I don't understand how, because it's weird. So I think that's my next one is the Pensacola. The guy's name is Yamato, and he's in a Fuso. Yeah.
Hey, we're beside each other.
All right, let's go to C. Be sure you got AP loaded. I hope you weren't shooting HE at the Pensacola.
No. The only time I shoot HE if I have a carrier or a destroyer on my sights.
Yes, yeah, and that's probably what will. This is what's known as Torpedo Alley down through here. Madman. That makes me feel comfortable. Let's see. Madman is in a destroyer, Clemson. Twas Brown is in front of me in the. I don't see Madman. Oh, he's way over there. Alright, here goes nothing.
Jeez. I'm deaf.
I didn't sleep well last night. Didn't sleep well the previous evening either. Watch this cruiser. He's going to run right into that into the torpedoes.
We talking about the Phoenix in front of me?
Yeah. Okay, good. He got behind him. There goes the smoke. That was our guy, I think.
I hope so, otherwise we're in trouble.
Scout launched. Our team has taken the lead.
Another one.